Nauwi sa 8 oras na closed-door internal discussion ang huling araw ng oral argument ng Korte Suprema kaugnay ng legalidad ng pagdedeklara ng martial law sa Mindanao. Sensitibo at top secret daw kasi ang impormasyong iniharap ng AFP at DND sa mga maestrado. Nakatutok si Lia Manyalak del Castillo.
Pinagbigyan ng mga maestrado ng Korte Suprema ang hiling ng Solicitor General na dinggin sa isang executive session ang pagharap ni Martial Law Administrator at Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana at Martial Law Implementer at AFP Chief of Staff General Eduardo Año.
This morning, the court started internal discussions on the request of the Solicitor General to keep certain information under executive session. First clarification, there is no such thing as an executive session as far as the court is concerned. There is, however, a rule that allows the court to exclude the public when in the consideration of the court, information that will be disclosed may be prejudicial or detrimental. The court exercised that discretion under the rule, that is Rule 119, Section 21 of the Rules of Court.
Sabi ni Solicitor General Jose Calida, tiwala silang nakumbinsi nila ang mga maestrado, lalo't mas detalyado raw ang naipresenta nilang mga impormasyon sa harap ng mga ito. Ayaw ng OSG na isa publiko pa ang presentasyon dahil sensitibo at top secret na impormasyon na ibabahagi ni Lorenzana at Año.
The one who presented was the chief of the J2. The intelligence chief of the AFP. There was PowerPoint presentation, there were materials given, and they answered questions from the justices. This is the secret documents. May be updated.
Sa tatlong petitioner, tanging si Albay Representative Edsel Lagman lang ang pinayagang makadalo sa internal discussion.
After a presentation was made, the court decided to ask questions, continue the interpellation of the Solicitor General, again internally. It concluded the interpellation with petitioners being represented by Congressman Edsel Lagman. The Solicitor General was also present and all the other respondents were present.
Kaya ang grupong bayan, dismayado.
We would like to clarify with the court. Especially on such a very important issue. Yan ang problema sa executive session kasi hindi namin alam kung anong issues ang pwede namin i-discuss o anong issues ang pwede namin i-raise sa memorandum of arguments namin dahil baka confidential yon, makukontempt pa kami.
Sa internal meeting natapos ang pagdinig ng Korte Suprema sa mga petisyon na kumukontra sa martial law. Sa Lunes, kailangan makapagsumite ang magkabilang panig ng kani-kanilang mga memoranda at may hanggang July 5 naman ang SC para desisyonan ang issue na ito. Lia Manyalak del Castillo, Nakatuto, 24 Oras.